Congratulations on purchasing your new Trimlight Select Plus system. This system will provide you years of enjoyment as you will now have the ability to program your lights for every major holiday, sporting event, special occasion, or even accent and security lighting year-round. Even better, you will be able to program your favorite colors and patterns to the specific days and times you choose using our built-in calendar and timer functions. Given all of the amazing features and benefits of the Trimlight Select Plus system, we have created a series of 4 short videos to help you get to know your system better, understand how to operate and maintain your system, and ensure that you are taking advantage of all of the capabilities Trimlight has to offer. Let's get started. In this first video, we will discuss how to connect the Trimlight Wi-Fi and application. The first step in running your new Trimlight system will be to download the app through your device's application search function by typing Trimlight into the search bar and then downloading the app. It is important to remember that although the Trimlight app can be downloaded to multiple devices, the system can only be connected and controlled from one device at a time. Now that your app is downloaded, we will now connect your Trimlight system to your device. We suggest that you stand next to the Trimlight control box while performing the initial connection. When plugged in, your Trimlight system will be broadcasting a Wi-Fi signal indicated by a blue light on the Trimlight control box. This signal does not have internet capabilities. It is solely dedicated to running your Trimlight system. Ensure the blue light on the controller is illuminated. You can toggle between green light and blue light by quick pressing the AP/STA button on the control box. However, for now, keep your light on blue. We will explain the function of the green button in a later video. Go to the settings on your smartphone or tablet and search for the broadcast signal Trimlight. If a password is requested, enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ensure your device is connected, and remember there is no internet usage while connected to this signal. Now open your Trimlight app and drag your finger down on the settings page to refresh available controllers. You will see Trimlight populate the screen. You may need to tap your finger on the word Trimlight to bring up the on-off toggle switch. If you have additional controllers and you are paired to your home network, this area will list all controllers that are connected and available, such as downlights, patios, or separate buildings. We will address this in a separate video. Once connected, ensure the controller is set for the correct settings by checking that RGB order is set to RGB and that IC is set to USC 1903. Your total pixels should reflect how many pixels are on the longest run of your system. Consult with your installer if you are unsure of this number, or you can simply type in 200 and that should work for most systems. Finally, turn on your Trimlight system by checking that the toggle switch is in the on position. You are now connected and ready to program your lights, which we will go over in video 2.